Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest breakthrough from Aurora Flight Sciences and Boeing. They've just unveiled their cutting-edge XPlane drone concept, boasting a high-speed vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability with a cruising speed of 830 km per hour. Aurora, a Boeing subsidiary, is leading this project under DARPA's XPlane drone initiative. The goal? To create a demonstrator aircraft that combines the versatility of vertical takeoff and landing with impressive high-speed cruising. Previously, Aurora showcased a manned aircraft concept featuring 4 lift fans integrated into a blended wing body. Now, their latest design steps up the game with an unmanned aircraft sporting a similar blended wing body but with 3 lift fans, 2 in the wings and 1 in the forward fuselage. Aurora and Boeing's choice of 3 lift fans aims to simplify the design and streamline the path to flight testing. They mentioned that this fan in wing technology could potentially scale up to 4 or more lift fans in future iterations. This innovative design includes a sleek composite structure with large raked air intakes beneath the nose and a conventional jet exhaust nestled between the V-tail. The wing fans are concealed by semicircular upper doors, inspired by the experimental Ryan 15.5 Vertifan VTOL aircraft. The forward fuselage fan is covered by a sliding door, with longitudinal louves for precise vertical flight control. In vertical flight mode, rectangular doors on top of the fuselage open to reveal the wing fans, hinting that these lift fans might have their own dedicated propulsion system. This setup is reminiscent of the 15.5, which used engine exhaust gases to power its lift fans. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on this exciting project and more innovations in the world of aerospace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-flying tech news.